So through my experience in the real estate industry, I have come to realize that clients are afraid of coming across fake brokers in this industry. Why? It is becoming so difficult for clients to identify. So these are ways to identify a fake broker in Kenya. Okay, so first you need to look for a title deed. Some of these title deeds may be fake. Okay, and first and foremost, clients make a mistake. They pay first before viewing a house. Okay, because they before going for even for a site visit, you've already paid the house, and you don't have a house if it is physically or something you're being fixed. Okay, so first don't pay, and the next thing I have said is title deed. And another thing you need to know that if the documents you are owning for the land, that is title deed, for the building, whatever the certificates have done, so are willing to be constructed and to be fully finished, it must have undergone some certificates verification. Make sure the certificates are verified by your lawyer, and make sure they are legal documents. Okay, and also pay for viewing fees. Some people pay to learn random people, like you're going on top of TikTok, you don't even take a minute to take and review their comment section, to take a review how this person, how he does his work, these brokers. So those are things that clients they don't take. They don't take cautions before looking for a broker. Okay, and some of these things, like when you're going like for approvals for the documents before you buy the house, the documents you need to sign, make sure they are legal documents before akikuramba baadaye ukuja unapata. That's why watu wengine wanabomoja manyumba zao, that's why watu wengine wanaambia you own a house but that is not your house because you were not interested to take these key things. So you need a professional to go and help you. That's why I'm here, guys, to help you. So another thing, some houses are overpriced. You need to take a look and see if this house does it value this money and the things they have been installed there, is it worth the money or is it overpriced in the market? And some brokers, they disappear during payments, so be cautious. So you can go and buy a house and then the broker after buying it disappear after getting even a commission. So some of these brokers, they're here to make money. Okay, and some of these things also you don't take caution about. So there are hidden defects in a house. So this can be structural, this can be interior and exterior, whereby the finishes they're poorly done. Some of these things you need to take caution. The drainages, whatever a house needs to key to details. Some of these things they're so petty and small, but it cost you, and you go for an extra cost and call an expert to do for that thing, but you already paid for that thing to be done for you, but you never took caution. So don't be scammed. I'm here to help you. So I'm here if you need services, if you need I take a review of your house before you buy a house. I'm here for the consultation, for the construction, for the buying of the house. I'm here to help you. Subscribe, guys, like and share this video to someone who needs to hear this. Don't look and say I wish ungefanya hivi, I wish ungechukua hiyo mtu, but indeed unaona hii video ungemtumia